warm welcome to you all to our English class of grade 2 unit 8. Today we are going to deal with unit 8 from your English book. I hope you are doing well and ready for our today's English class. Are you? Yes. If so, we will start our class. Okay. Under unit 8, we are going to discuss something about people and things. In our last class also we discussed it, and now we are going to discuss it more about people and things. Okay. Before starting our class, I want to ask you some questions. Okay. Look at me and try to answer. Okay. What is this? What is this? This is beautiful flower. Yes? Yes. And can you tell me what are these? These are beautiful flowers. Yes? Okay. Then tell me, what is this? What is that? Now, what is that? Can you see me? Yes. That is new duster. Yes? That is new duster. Can you see? Yes. Okay. Let's see what we are going to discuss today. Okay. Let's see here. We'll start our class with a chant. Do you want to sing chant? Yes, of course. We are going to sing chant. Before it, look at the pictures. Pictures are given here. Okay. Before singing, look at the pictures very carefully. Let's discuss about the pictures. Okay. What is it? It is? Yes. Good. It is rabbit. Yes. And what is its color? White. Yes. And it looks very clean. Yes. Rabbit is very clean there. Yes. Yes. It is clean rabbit. Yes. It is white rabbit. Yes. Okay. Now look at the girl. What can you see there? Girl. Yes. And how is the lady? Is she fat or thin? Is she slim or fat? Yes? Yes, of course. She is slim one. Yes? And another picture. Look here. There is a cat. Yes? What is this? Cat. Yes? And is it fat or slim? Yes, it is very fat. Yes? The cat is very fat. Okay. Now look at the next picture. What is this? This is hat. Yes? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is beautiful. And what is its color? Yes, it is pink. It is beautiful hat. Yes? Now look here. Beautiful hat, fat cat, slim girl, and what is this? Okay, clean rabbit. You can also say white rabbit. Yes, we saw pictures here. And we are going to sing chant related to the pictures. Okay, let's sing the chant which describes the animals and things and people. Okay, the chant describes here these things, people and animals. Okay, let's sing. First of all, I'll sing. Listen to me carefully. Then in second time, we'll sing it together. Okay? Let's sing. Okay. अब हामी के गर्छौं? यो च्यान्टलाई गाउँछौं. यो च्यान्टले के गर्छ रे? यो एनिमल्सहरुलाई अनि यो एनिमल्सलाई, यो थिंग्सलाई र यो पिपललाई के गर्छ? डिस्क्राइब गर्छ. How are they? How do they look like? Yes? Okay. Let's sing the chant. Okay? Rabbit is clean, 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 clean. Rabbit is clean, 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 clean. The girl is slim, 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 slim. The girl is slim, 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 slim. The cat is fat, the cat is fat, 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 fat. The cat is fat, 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 fat. Can you see a beautiful hat? Yes, look here, there is beautiful hat. Can you see a beautiful hat? Yes, there is a beautiful hat. Yes? Now, let's sing together. Follow me, okay? Rabbit is clean, 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 clean. Rabbit is clean, 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 clean. The girl is slim, 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 slim. The girl is slim, 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 slim. The cat is fat, 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 fat. The cat is fat, 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 fat. Can you see a beautiful hat? Yes, there is beautiful hat. Yes? Okay, this is the chant. You can practice it at your home with the help of your senior. Okay? And look here. Look at the words that are green. Okay? The green word. Look at the green words. Okay? Clean. The next, slim. Look here. Clean rabbit. You can say clean rabbit. Okay? The next, slim. Who is slim? Clean, slim girl. The girl is slim. So, slim girl. Okay? Next one, fat. What is fat here? Yes, the cat is fat. Okay? And next, look here. Beautiful. What is beautiful here? Yes, hat. It means beautiful hat. Okay? These green words describe the pictures. Okay? The pictures are given here and these green words describe people, things and animals here. Let's write. Okay? Let's write. Clean. What is clean? Clean rabbit. Okay? The next, what is slim? Look here. Pick up green word and their noun. Okay? What is slim here? Yes, the girl is slim. You can write slim girl. Okay? Next one, fat. What is fat here? Yes, the cat is fat. Okay? Fat cat. Okay? What is fat? The cat is fat. Okay? Next one, what is next green word? Beautiful. Yes? Beautiful. Beautiful. What is beautiful? What is beautiful? Look here. Hat. Yes? Beautiful hat. Okay. Look here. This is what? Noun. Yes? And this is noun or adjective? What can you say? No, it is noun, it is adjective. Here, clean is adjective. Adjective means describing word. Thaha cha adjective bhaneko describing words because it describes the animal rabbit. Yes, clean describes about rabbit. Look here, what is clean here? Rabbit is clean. So, noun is rabbit and clean is adjective here. Okay? And next one, what is slim? Noun or adjective? This one? Slim is adjective or describing word and girl is noun here. Slim describes about the girl. What type of girl? Slim girl. Okay? Next one, fat, adjective or describing words and cat is noun here. Okay? Next one, beautiful. Beautiful is adjective or describing word and hat is noun here. Okay, so what we are discussing about today? We are discussing about describing words. They are known as adjectives too. Okay, हामी आज के को बारेमा डिस्कस गर्दै रहेछौं? डिस्क्राइबिङ वर्ड्स को बारेमा. यिनीहरुलाई हामी के पनि भनेर चिन्छौं रे? Adjectives. Good. So these green words which are known as adjectives, okay, and they describe nouns, so they are known as describing words. Okay, let's see next activity. I'll show you next activity. Okay, there is an activity related to the chant. Okay, यो chant गाइसकेपछि हामीले यो green word र अनि noun को बारेमा पढिसकेपछि, noun र adjective को बारेमा पढिसकेपछि यहाँ गर्ने एउटा activity छ. Look here, let's see. Let's match. Okay, there is matching time. Okay, look here. Match the following adjectives with their nouns. I have already given you the adjectives and noun here. I have already taught you. So I think you can match them very easily. Yes? Now let's match. First of all, let's read the words from both columns. Okay? The words in these columns are adjectives or describing words. Okay? And the words in these columns are nouns. So they describe the nouns. Okay? Let's match them. Okay. Clean. What is clean? Clean girl, clean cat, clean hat, clean rabbit. Which one is correct? Yes. Clean rabbit here. Yes? Good. Next one, slim. What is slim? Girl, cat, hat, rabbit is already done, so you have to choose from here. Yes? Which one is correct? Yes. Slim girl. Good. Let's go to next one. Fat. Fat. What was fat there in the rhyme? Yes. Fat, cat or hat? Fat, cat. Yes? And beautiful. Do you know the meaning of beautiful? Beautiful भनेको थाहा छ? Yes. Beautiful means pretty. राम्रो के? सुन्दर. Yes? What is beautiful here? Beautiful hat. Good. In this way, the words, describing words, describe nouns. Okay? So, they are known as describing words. Okay. Let's see. Next one, next activity. Okay. It is riddle time. Have you ever solved riddle? Yes. Do you want to solve riddle? Yes, let's do then, okay? I'll provide you some clue. On the basis of the clue, you have to find out the answer. You know it very well, yes? Riddle, थाहा छ नि हैन? Solve गर्न आउँछ riddle. I'll tell the clue, and on the basis of the clue, you have to tell the answer, okay? Okay, let's start. I'm round. Round, you know very well, yes? I'm round. The next, I'm red. My color is red. I'm in red color, yes? The next one, I'm good for health. I'm good for health means it is something to eat, yes? I'm good for health means it is something to eat, yes? Which makes our health very good, okay? And next one, I'm sweet and juicy. I'm sweet. Yes, sweet थाहा छ नि हैन? गुलियो. I'm sweet and juicy. Yes. The next one, juicy थाहा छ है? रसिलो रसिलो हुन्छ नि, juicy. Yes. The next one, I'm popular fruit. Now, you knew here that it was name of food or something to eat, yes. And here you know that it is a fruit. It is a kind of fruit, yes. It is very popular. Do you know the meaning of popular here? Popular भनेको थाहा छ? Yes, known by all. सबैले चिन्ने हैन, सबैजनालाई चाहिँ एकदम मन पर्ने, popular. Yes? Good. Now it is a fruit. Round. Look here, look at the red word. Round. I am round means here round, red, good, okay, good for health here, good, sweet, juicy, and popular fruit. What is it? Now look here. Who am I? Can you name me? Can you tell me your name? Who am I? Guess. Who am I? Round, red, good for health, sweet and juicy, popular fruit. Who am I? Yes, have you guessed? Okay, tell me answer. Can you tell me? Okay, I'll show the picture, then you have to tell the name. Okay? Now, look here. Who am I? Of course, you knew who am I. What is this? Can you name it? Yes, what is it? Yes, good. It is I am an. Who am I? I am an. Tell me. Yes, I am an apple. Look here. What is it? Apple is round. Look here. Its shape is round. And its color is red. Look here. And it is good for our health. It means if you eat apple daily, you will be safe from different diseases. Okay. So, it is sweet and juicy. Look here. It looks very juicy. Yes. It is sweet and juicy and popular. Apple is popular fruit. Yes. All people like it. Yes. So, I am an apple here. Okay. Now look here. You have to tell me what words describe apple. Apple like kun word le describe gareko cha हेर्नुस् त. Round. What type of apple? Round apple. And next, red apple. Good for health. Apple is good for health. Yes. Apple is sweet and juicy. Yes. Apple is popular food. In this way, so many words can be used to describe the things, to describe the animals, to describe the pictures. So, these all red words describe the picture apple. Yes, describe about apple. So, these words are known as describing words. They are also known as adjectives. Okay. Did you get something about describing words? Okay. Let's do more activities then. Look here. Look at the picture. What is it? Have you seen it? Okay. Can you name it? Yes. Good. Elephant. Yes. Look here. What type of elephant is it? Is it a small one or large one? Big one? It is big. Yes. Okay. Then look at next picture. What is it? This is an umbrella. Yes. This is an umbrella. And what is its color? Look here. What is its color? Red one. Yes. It looks very beautiful. Red umbrella. Yes. Let's read the sentences about the pictures given here. Okay. Let's read. Look at the picture and read the sentence. Look at the first picture and read the first sentence. Okay. Look here. That is a big elephant. That is a big elephant. What type of elephant is it? Is it small? No. Is it big? Yes, of course. It is big. It is large. Yes. Good. It is a big elephant. Okay. The next picture. That is a big elephant. Look here. Look at the black words first here. Okay. Two colors are given here. Okay, look at the black words and look at other words. Okay, that here is to say, that is here to indicate the pictures, indicate the things which are very far from us. Look here, elephant is far from here. Yes, so we can say that is a big elephant. Yes, what is that? That is a big elephant. Okay, now we can say, look here, the sentence and the picture is very near. Yes, and we can say this is a red umbrella. Isn't it near to this sentence? Yes, this is a red umbrella. I had also shown you, this is your English book. Yes, this is your English book. If something is near to us, we can use this. Okay, if one thing means, if one thing is near to us, we can use this. Okay, if something is far from us, we can use that here in this, as in this picture. Okay, so we can say this is a red umbrella. Okay, next one, look at next one. Okay, look here. What are they? Can you name them? Yes, they are balls. And what are they? They are also balls. Okay, they are also balls. Here you have to know about two things. Okay, one, the use of those and these, and another, the use of describing words. Okay, यहाँ चाहिँ दुईटा कुराको बारेमा ख्याल गर्नुपर्छ है। एउटा अघि पनि हामीले गरेका थियौं नि, दिस र द्याट को युज हेर्यौं. यस, दिस एन्ड द्याट. इन द सेम वे, these and those, the use of these and those, and the use of describing words. Okay, they are the words these and those, and they are describing words. Okay, let's see. What are those? What are those? They are far from this sentence. Yes, this is the sentence for this picture, and we can see the balls are far from the sentence. So we can say those are colorful balls. What are those? Those are colorful balls. What types of balls are those? Colorful ball. Yes? Okay. Look here, next one. What are these? Can you tell me? What are these? Okay, look here. It is, the sentence is near to the picture. Yes? Near the balls. Yes? And we can say these are black balls. What types of balls are these? These are black balls. Yes? Black is describing word here. Yes? Black is describing word here. Yes? And we use these to indicate the things which are near from us. Yes? And we use those to indicate the things which are far from us. Okay? In this way, you can say, what is this? You can say, what is that? What is that? That is new duster. And now you can say, what is this? This is new duster, near and far. Okay? In this way, you have to use this, that, and those, these. Are you clear now? Okay, let's go to next one. Look at the pictures. Okay? It is in your book too. You can look at your book. It is from Unit 8, page number 50. Okay? You can see this picture in page number 50 of your book. Okay? Now, look here. Listen and say. Look at the pictures and say. Let's discuss the pictures first. Okay? let's discuss about the pictures. Okay, what are they? They are shorts. Okay, what are they? They are shorts, and you can see two shorts here. Okay, you can see two shorts here. One is new, another is old. Yes, so there are two shorts, and she is asking about the picture and he is giving answer. Yes, हेर्नुस् त यहाँ दुईटा शर्ट एन्ड दुईटा शर्टको बारेमा के भइराछ, कुराकानी भइराछ हो. So they are talking about the pictures. Okay, she is asking and he is answering. Let's see here. Which shirt is new? Which shirt is new? Can you guess here? There are two shirts. Which one is new? Okay, and he is telling that this one he is catching. Yes, he is just touching and he is saying this one, this is a new shirt because the shirt is near to him. Yes, yeah, and say which shirt is new? She is asking. Yes, and he is saying that this one is new shirt. Okay, this is a new shirt. Okay, because it is near to him. Yes, okay, good. This is the use of this. Okay, the next one, look here. Which ruler is short? Look here, there are two rulers. Yes, there are two rulers. One is this and another is this. One is a bit longer and another is a bit shorter. Yes, long and short. Yes, so she is asking and he is answering. Yes, and he is showing like this. It means the rulers are far from him. Okay, the ruler which he is pointing is far from him. Yes, उसले यहाँ देखाइराखेको रुलर चाहिँ के छ, यो बुवाई भन्दा के छ, टाढा छ कि छैन, छ है. अनि यहाँ चाहिँ उसले समाइराखेको सर्ट चाहिँ के थियो, नजिकै थियो. So we used this here, and there is ruler which is far from him, so we can say here that. Okay, so she is asking which ruler is short, and he is saying that one, that one. That is a short ruler, not this ruler. Is it short? No, it is long. So he is pointing to this ruler. Yes, so he is pointing to this ruler which is far from him. So he is using that. Yes, that one is short ruler. This one is, he can say this one is long ruler and this one is short ruler. Yes, that one is short ruler, this one is long ruler according to him. Yes, उसले चाहिँ के भन्न सक्छ, अब के भन्न सक्छ, this one is long ruler and that one is short ruler. Yes, नजिकै भएकोलाई के भन्न सक्यो, this, टाढा भएकोलाई के भन्न सक्यो, that. Yes, let's go to next one. There are coats. Yes, there are coats, and one is new, clean, and another is dirty. Yes, another is dirty, and she is asking, she is answering. Yes, she is asking like this. Okay, which coat is clean? And she is saying this one. She is showing. Yes, she is touching. Yes, this one, it is near to her. So she is saying this. हेर्नुस् त, नजिकै छ नि, उसले समाइरहेको छ नि, त्यही भएर के भन्न पायो, this. Yes, this one, this is a clean coat. Which one is clean coat? This one. Yes, you can also see here, this one is clean and this one is dirty. You can say dirty coat here. Yes, and which coat is clean? She is saying this one. This is a clean coat. Yes, okay. In the same way, look at the next picture. she is asking and she is answering. And there are both, she is asking and she is asking like this. Which bus is big? Okay, and you can see here big and small buses, and she is asking, yes, she is asking which bus is big, and she is pointing like this. She is pointing from far from her, yes, टाढाबाट यसरी pointing गरिरहेछ, and she is saying that. You have to know the proper use of this and that too here, okay? This र that को use पनि जान्नु पर्छ है यहाँनेरि चाहिँ. यसरी pointing गर्यो भने that, नजिकैबाट छोएर भन्यो भने के भन्नु पर्यो? This, okay? So she is pointing from very far from her and saying that one. That one is, that is a big bus. That one, that is a big bus. The girl is far from this bus and she is saying that one is big bus, and this one is small bus. Yes? Okay. Now in this way you can use this, that and those, these with adjectives or describing words here. What is describing word here? Can you find in this sentence what is describing word? Yes, clean. This is a clean coat. Clean is describing word here. Yes, and what is describing word here? Big. Yes, big is describing word here. It describes bus. What type of bus? Big bus. What type of coat? Clean coat. Yes, so they are describing words. Okay, let's go to next one. Look here. Look at the pictures and match them properly. Okay, look at the pictures and match them properly. Here you have to be careful that you have to see the use of this, that, those, these and use of describing words. Okay, यहाँ दुईटा कुरालाई ख्याल गर्नुपर्छ म्याच गर्दा. के कुरालाई? एउटा this, that, those, these को युजलाई, next describing words को युजलाई. Okay, look here. Those are colorful balls. Where are colorful balls? The colorful balls are those? No. No. Those one? No. This one? No. Those one? Yes. Those are colorful balls because they are far from us and they are colorful balls too. Yes, and you can match the sentence with this picture in this way. Okay, those are colorful balls. Okay, next one. Next sentence, please look at the next sentence. That is a red umbrella. Which one is red umbrella? Is here umbrella? Is this umbrella? Is this red umbrella? No. Is this? Yes. That is a red umbrella. It is far from us. It is one single. It is red one. So we can match this sentence with this picture. Yes? Okay. Next one. These are black balls. Where are black balls? These are means the balls should be near to this sentence. Yes? These are black balls. Where are black balls? Yes, here. Yes? These are black balls. Now match like this. Okay? And this is an old woman. Where is old woman? Can you find? Where is old woman? Where is an old woman? Where is? Yes, here is. This is an old woman. Yes? Okay. In this way, you can match the pictures with their sentences. You can match the sentences with their pictures. Okay? Let's go to next one. Here is last activity for you. Okay? Look at the pictures very carefully and choose the words from the brackets to fill in the blanks. यहाँ एकचोटि राम्रोसँग सुन्नुस् है. के गर्नुपर्छ अब? Fill in the blanks by choosing words from the brackets. यो ब्र्याकेट्समा चुज गर्न वर्ड्सहरु दिएको छ ब्र्याकेट्स भनेको यस्तो थाहा छ है यो दुईटा वर्ड मध्ये एउटा चुज गरेर यो खाली ठाउँमा भर्नु पर्छ ओके आर यु रेडी ओके लेट्स डू dash this or that is a dash pink or black pen look at this picture first this is the picture by looking at this picture you have to fill in the blanks here by choosing the correct words I have already told you how to use this and how to use that and I have also told you how to use those and how to use these okay so you can choose the correct words by looking at the picture okay is it near from this sentence or far it is very near yes so you can write here this or that if there is near something what should you say this yes good this is a pink pen or black pen what is the color of this pen yes it is black pen okay then look at next picture what is this is flower yes and look at the sentence okay is it near or far from the sentence the flower is near or far from the sentence very far yes so what word should you choose here this or that yes if there is far if there is something far then you have to use that yes that is a ugly flower or beautiful flower ugly do you know the meaning of ugly ugly bhaneko naramro hai is it ugly flower or beautiful flower so you have to fill here with beautiful yes good job now let's go to next one okay look here these and those I have already told you how to use these and those if there is near something you have to use this if there are near something you have to use this and if there are far if there are something far from us far from something we have to use those okay now look at the picture and tell me are the birds far from us or are they very near birds हामीबाट टाढा हुन्छन् कि नजिकै हुन्छन् no they are very far they fly in the sky yes we see them very far from us yes so you can say what these are those are what colors bird are those red or white so you can say white birds okay last one look at the last picture this is what are these are pencils okay there are so many pencils so you can say it is near the pencils are near from this sentence near from something so you can say you can use here these are these yes these are long pencils or short pencils look here these are new pencils so they are longer one so you can say they are long pencils yes they are long pencils okay only this much for today I hope you enjoyed today's class and you learned to use this that those these and the describing words okay we'll see in our next classes have a good time bye bye